Hello, welcome to Post Colonial Space. I'm Masood Raja, and this is another one in my series on how to establish an educational channel and make it grow. And today I'll be talking about organization, especially playlists. Now, keep in mind that you are an educational channel. So obviously people are coming to the channel looking for educational materials. And the best way to offer those materials to them would be with some organization. And on YouTube, playlists are the best way to organize your content. So here, if you take a look at my channel, if you go to the main page of my channel, you can already see that the uploads and videos are listed here. But if you click on the playlists, here are all my public playlists that are showing up. So you can see Paulo Freire, educational videos, how to start and grow an educational channel has its own playlist. Let's say Spivak, Can the Subaltern Speak has its own playlist. If you view the full playlist, pretty much everything on that topic is covered here. Now within each playlist, you also have the option to sort things out. Okay, so if you look at this here and click on it, it allows you to sort by date added. So what I've done is I choose date added newest, and that version then takes me to, of course, any latest addition to this particular list that I add to. So playlists are a good way of enabling you to organize your channel content. Now, simply speaking, how to create a playlist, that's very simple. You click on Manage Videos right here. So let's say you are on the content page, you click on it, and you go to playlists. All your playlists will be listed here. And then you go here, create new playlist. You click on that, and then you add whatever title you want to put on that. And that playlist will be created, right? After you've created a playlist and you are ready, then all you need to do is go to any videos that you're making or that you previously have, and at the end of the description of a video, there is an option to choose a playlist, and you just add the videos to any given playlist. So the idea is to have your content very well organized so that anyone who comes to your channel, even if they're coming through a search and they want to find out what else is available on your channel, they can just scroll down through the playlist and get to the right playlist. And then within that, all the 10, 12, 15 videos that you have could be useful to them. So this brief video was about how to organize your channel content. And the reason for that is that it's easier for people to use it. And then within that, how to organize your playlists and how to create them. I hope this is useful to you. As I mentioned, most of what I'm sharing is based in my personal experience. I'm not a computer programmer or an expert on YouTube, but I can certainly share with you that after I started organizing my content in well-specified playlists, the number of views increased on my channel. Another important thing to keep in mind about playlists is that give it a descriptive title, right? Not just Foucault, how to learn about Michel Foucault, how to learn literary theory. Make it a question or a search question. This is what we call the long tail keywords. When people put in a whole phrase, what does post-colonialism mean? What is post-colonialism? So give your playlists a descriptive title that even amplifies and clarifies to the viewers that this is what this particular playlist contains. Thank you so much. I hope this is useful to you. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments and I'll try to respond to them. As always, take care of yourself, take care of everyone else around you, and I will now see you next time. Until then, as always, peace and love.